Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best awesome workout gadgets that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Clothierly Cooling Towels. These towels are designed to provide instant cooling relief during your workouts or outdoor activities. Made from hyper-evaporative polyester mesh, these towels activate their cooling effect simply by soaking, wringing, and snapping them. Whether you're at the gym, running, or even traveling, these towels are designed to keep you cool and comfortable. With a lightweight and compact design, they're easy to carry around, and the pack includes 4 towels in vibrant colors like blue and rose red. The build quality is impressive, featuring soft, pliable, and chemical-free fabric. The towels are safe for all ages and can also be used for heat stroke prevention or fever relief. They're machine washable, which makes maintenance simple and hassle-free. While the cooling performance is effective, it's important to note that the cooling effect depends on how well they're activated. So proper use is key. In terms of value, the Clothierly cooling towels are a budget-friendly option for anyone looking for a portable cooling solution. They're ideal for athletes, outdoor enthusiasts, and even people who need relief from hot weather. However, the lack of a storage pouch or carrying case might be a downside for some. Overall, they're a solid addition to any workout or travel kit. Coming in at number 4, we have the Breathable 8-pack Funny Workout Gym Cooling Towels. These towels combine practicality with a touch of humor, making them a standout choice for fitness enthusiasts. Each towel features a unique and motivational design, such as Sweat Now, Shine Later, adding a fun twist to your workout routine. Made from hyper-evaporative microfiber, these towels offer impressive cooling performance. Simply wet them, wring them out, and slap them to activate the cooling effect. The build quality is excellent, with durable and breathable materials that can withstand frequent use. The towels are lightweight, machine washable, and compact enough to fit into your gym bag. With 8 towels in the pack, you'll always have a spare ready to go. They're perfect for a variety of activities, from yoga to outdoor sports, and make for a thoughtful gift for fitness lovers. While the humorous designs add a unique touch, the cooling performance is the real highlight. However, some users might find the slogans a bit too bold for their taste. Overall, the Breathable cooling towels offer great value for their price and are an excellent choice for anyone looking to stay cool and motivated during workouts. In the third spot, we have the JKSHMYT Weighted Hula Circle Hoop. This gadget is designed for adults who want to make their workouts more engaging and effective. With 24 detachable links and a 47-inch adjustable size, this hula hoop is perfect for users of various waist sizes. It features a 0.7-pound gravity ball that helps target your core, burning up to 700 calories in just 30 minutes of daily use. Its ABS plastic construction ensures durability, making it a long-lasting addition to your fitness routine. The design is beginner-friendly, meaning even if you've never used a hula hoop before, you can get started right away. The detachable links make it easy to adjust for your size, and the sturdy build ensures it won't wear out quickly. This hoop is ideal for targeting fat around the waist, abdomen, and buttocks, making it a fantastic option for users focused on weight loss. While it's an effective tool, some users may find the gravity ball a bit awkward to use initially. Also, the noise generated during use might be distracting in quieter environments. However, for its price and functionality, the JKSHMYT Weighted Hula Hoop is a great investment for anyone looking to spice up their fitness routine while achieving measurable results. At number 2, we have the Zkodo Ultimate Fitness Journal. This journal is a must-have for anyone serious about their fitness journey. It features 140 pages to track workouts, nutrition, and progress. The A5 size makes it compact and portable, while the durable, sweat-proof cover ensures it can withstand the rigors of gym life. The elastic closure and ribbon bookmark add to its practicality, making it easy to keep your notes organized. What sets this journal apart is its ability to help users set both short and long-term goals. Whether you're tracking weightlifting stats, meal plans, or daily habits, this planner makes it easy to stay consistent and motivated. The thoughtful layout is intuitive to use, ensuring that you'll actually stick to your fitness plan. While the design is sleek, some users may wish for more customization options within the journal. Nevertheless, the Zkodo Fitness Journal is an excellent tool for building discipline and accountability. It's perfect for anyone who wants to take their fitness goals from dream to reality. Finally, at number 1, we have the Fit Beast Grip Strengthener Kit. This 5-pack set is the ultimate tool for anyone looking to build grip strength and improve overall hand dexterity. With adjustable resistance levels ranging from 10 to 132 pounds, this kit accommodates beginners and advanced users alike. Whether you're a rock climber, musician, or recovering from an injury, this strengthener is versatile enough to meet your needs. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during use, and the durable, non-slip rubber material guarantees a secure grip. The compact size makes it portable, so you can strengthen your grip at home, at the office, or even while traveling. It's also a fantastic stress relief tool, making it a multifunctional addition to your workout arsenal. The Fit Beast kit stands out for its quality, versatility, and professional after-sales service. While the price might be higher than some alternatives, the value it offers is unparalleled. This kit is ideal for anyone looking to improve grip strength, whether for sports, rehabilitation, or daily life. It's no wonder it's ranked number 1 in grip strengtheners on Amazon. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.